Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this 55-in-1 accessories kit, action kit for GoPro camera and compatible cameras. So it comes in this really nice box. So here we can see on the back side what's everything in this kit, and as you can see there's really a lot. So let's open the box and see what we have really inside. And as you can see, it's really full, it's packed of all these things. We have even this mount that you can really wear in front of you. I like these things. I've done many YouTube video even with this thing. So here we have a thing which you can use in the water. We have a lot of straps. We have even this I think that's somehow called gorilla tripod, as you can see. That's also awesome. I definitely will use that. Yeah, a lot of stickers, I mean plates with stickers. These are used for especially when you attach your camera to a helmet, to your car, whatsoever. This thing I've been using already on my bike. This is an awesome thing. You can open that. Yeah, it's a little bit hard. Yeah, and then put it around handlebar, and then so attach your camera. I'm just trying one or two pieces. This is the original thing for the GoPro, so let's see if this really fits. I have just find the right spot. So as you can see, it's a good hold depending on how much you secure the screw here, but it's definitely compatible, no problem at all. So I'll put this back here. So look at this stuff, that's awesome. I think this thing fits somewhere here. Usually I'm having a little bit of problems to find the right entrance. So yeah, looks it working from this side, and then it snaps in, and you have all the possibilities to put it sideways, and yeah, a lot of different angles where you can use it. That's awesome. That's even better than the one which I already had. Yeah, that's crazy what you have. Also this I think it's a wristband to secure it, probably together with this floating thing. Another thing probably for the yeah, that's probably a head mount. Really nice. A lot of pieces here. That's even a suction cup, as you can see here. You can use that for your car. 3 different angles, or at least 2. Really nice. Here another strap. There are so many things which I have not even seen in my whole life. That's some kind of clip. You can put it somewhere. That's really strong. Yeah, it will definitely hold the camera, no doubt about that. It's another thing with cord. Here 2 plates as well. This shoe here. It's absolutely incredible how many parts we get for such few money only. The good thing, we can put everything back here. and we don't need it, so it's perfectly stored and we don't risk to lose it. Yeah, nothing which I don't even know what it is. That's definitely a wristband, always a good thing for skiing, snowboarding. And we have a lot of additional screws to secure it, so don't be worried about if you lose one. There are plenty of them. So sometimes if you give these things to children, it can happen that you lose they lose some parts, so don't be worried about that. Like an additional bag, probably, what's that, silica gel. Yes, so many things. Watch this, and there's even a selfie stick. Yeah, I mean, you don't see them as often anymore, but sometimes they are really handy. I like them. As you can see, you can secure it the perfect, oops, I'm sorry. You can secure it in the perfect angle to both sides, and yeah, it's quite long. So you can see it's yeah, about 1 yard, 3 feet, something like that at least, if not more. Easy to pull out and push back, and even with a handle to secure it that you don't lose it. Yeah, I have done even a couple of YouTube videos with a selfie stick. Sometimes you still use it, you don't see it as much anymore as it was yeah, used before, but there are still situations where you use that. So as you can see, there was really a lot, and now the biggest work for me will to put it back because there are so many of these things. So it looks like, yeah, everything fits really well. Quality is good. These things are strong, like the springs, no weak springs. These things are really strong, sturdy, look really durable. I mean, yeah, I definitely can highly recommend this set. I mean, yeah, there's no way to get something like this cheaper in the same quality. Yeah, it's absolutely awesome, so I can highly recommend that, and I will definitely put down the link into the description, and so you can order it right from here. And so if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.